Other than vacuum cleaner, robot vacuum is also everyone's best friend, especially for those who live alone. Robot vacuum can clean your house without breaking sweat. It can clean your floor from any dirt, and thanks to the setting in the machines, you can leave this robot vacuum to clean your house while you're doing other activities. On today's video, we have listed some best robot vacuums in 2020. iRobot Roomba 980. This robot vacuum has a mapping system that allows the machine to quickly learn every nook and cranny of your home. At 35.05 cm in diameter, this Roomba 980 is wider than the average vacuum head, but thanks to its circular design and rotating body, this robot machine is able to maneuver through narrower areas. This robot vacuum machine also has an impressive 2 hours battery life. When the machine runs out of battery or its bin is full, the machine will return to its home dock. Detail but Vac D7 connected. This good-looking robot vacuum features so-called no-go lines, which allow you to cordon off areas of your home that you don't want the vacuum to venture into. You can also draw the line mapping area using the app while the robot vacuum is in use, because you can draw a line using the app while the vacuum is in use. Sadly, the dustbin on this D7 connected is not as big as the original boot vac connected, and it doesn't have a bin full sensor. Ecovacs D-Boot N79S Robotic Vacuum Cleaner. This robot vacuum has several modes that you can choose from. This robot machine also comes with a remote, but you can also use your smartphone to control this N79S. Sadly, this robot vacuum tends to get stuck under furniture and is unable to get itself free. This robot vacuum also can execute a deep cleaning, but it cleans moderately in hardwood floors and carpet. Despite some disadvantages mentioned above, this vacuum robot is rather quiet, so you can use it even in the midnight. iRobot 11. This affordable robot vacuum is cheaper compared to other robot vacuum in the market, but it can still clean your house moderately. However, this robot machine also misses some features that you get from the more pricey robot vacuum, such as a companion app, so you have to use a remote to control this robot vacuum. In short, this robot vacuum is more manual than other robot vacuum in the market. Ecovacs D-Boot Osmo 930. This robot vacuum can clean up your footprints and other surface level stains in seconds. But it does not mean that this is an effective mopper, as you can set it up to mop the stains if you like. The robot vacuum can also clean up like other robot vacuum, and it is also supported by Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. You can also use this robot vacuum with voice command. Shark iRobot 750. Shark iRobot 750. This robot vacuum works well on both hardwood floors and thinner area rugs, and it also doing a great job in cleaning up any other surface. It's also quieter than some robot vacuums in the market. Sadly, the dustbin of this robot vacuum is quite small for pet owners. In short, this robot vacuum is a perfect cleaning machine for people who want to try to own robot vacuum.